That's all we know. And I consequently recorded myself falling down and dying.
Performance fees. Yeah.
Yep. Yunque, I don't know about you, but I've been burping up chicken and rice for like an hour. Yeah, but different perspectives. I was shooting my feet.
Do you want someone to take a picture of you two doing this?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, who's got a camera? Because I don't. Sorry. Wait. There's document. I might have a camera. We could quickly just take a picture of. You can't really see them. We have to get in front of them. Oh, thank you. Okay. Do you not want me to run in front of you then?
Actually, I don't think in front.
Okay.
Behind will be fine.
Yeah. It's a better angle. It's totally not. Not at all.
Am I just not getting the camera? The camera's messed up.
Ooh.
Get cozy. Oh, I'm getting both of us now.
Here, let me move the
That's interesting.
Is that iPhone?
This place is wild.
I want to live out here.
I want to spend the whole summer, just like that.
Oh, we never asked Royce. Maybe he knows about, like, what does it get like exponentially hotter in the summertime, or does it just kind of stay temperate?
Yeah.
Curious.
If what?
If it gets like really, really hot in the summertime, or if it just stays temperate because the water. I never asked anybody.
It gets really hot. So probably.
30-foot trust falls.
I sort of thought the climbing would be harder. This is nice.
Yeah. Look at all that crazy stuff on the side.
I know. That stuff.
Crevice.
Hole!
Canyon. Plunge.
Road not scary. Just getting more humid.
Well, I feel, I don't know. It's either that or I'm getting hotter because I'm walking. Yeah.
Ooh, a cavern.
Oh, cool.
A hole. Hello there.
Well, this is raining.
Just stuck in there. Alright.
Those little trees everywhere are crazy.
I know. What did she say?
I don't know. The whole area of Puerto Rico.
Wait, a snake?
Like this past They probably have to make the paths kind of like this, because if they made them super smooth and not like this, wouldn't it just wipe shit out?
I bet it would just wash away.
Yeah. I think it's pretty great.
Oh, that's
Wow.
cool.
Yeah, I know. It's not really a
Ooh, look at this
sightseer.
red.
What do you think, 10 minutes? And then
Oh
call
yeah,
it good?
absolutely. That breeze feels great.
Yeah, it does.
God, that's gorgeous.
Nice. Can't wait to get to the swimming hole. Orchids.
What?
I love those little orchids. Just like,
Anyways.
I'm just gonna grow right here. Hope you don't mind. It's just like
here.
comfy.
Safe from flooding.
You can
That's
get
so they
mine.
can't catch the rainwater, right?
I know. Probably. Oh, look at him sticking out all
Wow.
showy.
They're so pretty.
Oh, don't trip and fall. Oh, there's one on the ground. Hey, buddy. Your stump fell.
Wow, that moss is soft.
Oh. She just
Brushed against my leg. It's like,
oh, hi, pretty. Alright, we got about 10 seconds left.
yeah.
2, 1, and stop.